Hi, I'm Abby. I'm an SD student here at T-Spa White House, and today I'm going to run you through my morning routine. For your daily routine, the products that I would recommend are your cleansers, a toner, serums, moisturizers, and then of course sunscreen. To start off my daily routine, I always cleanse. Today I have the Circadia cleansers. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it right now, but double cleansing is so important. The first cleanse acts as like a topical cleanse and just gets all the makeup and dirt and all of that off, and the second cleanse is actually getting all of our oil and leftover dirt, blackheads, all of that. So that's so important to double cleanse. Okay, so after you cleanse, a toner is extremely important. Our skin has a natural pH balance, and after we cleanse, we've stripped it of all of its natural oils and everything. So we really need to bring it back to its natural pH, which is 5.5. So today I'm going to take Circadia Aloe and Calming Mist. It's my favorite. I just spray a little bit on my hands, rub it around, and just apply it like normal. Always go down the neck. After I tone, then you're gonna go in with any serums. My favorite serum ever is the Circadia Hydrolux oil. It's the best if you have dry skin, dehydrated skin, normal, whatever. I normally put it where I would put like a highlighter, so on my nose, my cheekbones, forehead, and just a little bit on my chin, and it just gives a very natural glow. After my Hydrolux oil, I'm going to go in with my vitamin C reversal serum, and I just take a little bit of this and do the same thing. Just put it on like you normally would. I bring this down onto my neck, of course. After we do all of our serums, then we're going with our moisturizer. I'm going to use the Circadia Phyto Pep, so just use a little bit. Rub between your fingers and apply. I like to do a little bit of some lymph drainage whenever I apply my moisturizer. So I just go along my jawline, bring it down, go in underneath my eyes, helps with any puffiness and things like that. Go up on the forehead and bring it all back down. The last and most important step is going to be sunscreen. We need sunscreen every single day, whether it's cloudy, whatever the weather is, you need sunscreen. So I just take a little bit in between my fingers and just apply it. That ends my daily routine. I know that it seems like a lot of steps, but in the long run, our skin is our largest organ. So of course we need to be taking care of it, just like anything else. So if you have acne, large pores, blackheads, wrinkles, whatever it is, taking care of our skin is one of the best things that you can do for yourself.